What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video, I'm going to review another two fragrances from the house of Adil Qadri. I have already reviewed Shania and Shania Gold on my channel. I'm going to put the link in the description box for you to check it out if you're interested. So here in this video, I'm going to review two more of their best sellers, and here I'm talking about Adil Qadri, The Story, and Adil Qadri, Oud Al Hashmi. So let's start a review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you'll get The Story in this kind of packaging. You can see the color and the design of the box. It's beautiful. The logo of Adil Qadri, the name of the perfume, The Story, and the name of the story on the side once again, on the both sides. And then on the top you'll get the logo of Adil Qadri, and then here in the back once again you'll get all the details, MRP and batch code, etc. So let's open the box, and once again the box is similar to Shania and Shania Gold. You have to lift this part to open the box, and here you go. Move these curtains and let's see the beautiful bottle here resting for you. And you can see the color of the bottle here. It's brilliant green blue type of shade here. Let me show you the bottle. So here you go. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful bottle. See the color of the bottle. The gradient is from transparent to this blue greenish type of tint to dark shade, black shade. And the cap once again is similar to the other two bottles. It's made of plastic with golden chrome finish, and the fragrance is beautiful. So this is the bottle and the presentation, and you can see the shape of the bottle here, and here you go. You can see the cut in the bottom. Everything looks good. These are custom made bottles, especially made for Adil Qadri. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So I was not able to find any official notes breakdown of this beautiful perfume on the website of Adil Qadri. So whatever I'm going to tell you here is as per my experience and as per my nose, and it was not very difficult for me to break down this beautiful scent, and you will know in a while that's why I said that. So here the main DNA of this perfume is based on JPG's Ultra Male, but they have used the base of Ultra Male and then they have amped it up with a lot of citruses and grapefruit on the top. So they have converted that thick, heavy, sweet DNA into a citrusy, fresh type of DNA. So this is what you will get here. So this is how it opens. In the opening you will get a lot of citruses. There is a very strong blast of some citruses and grapefruit, and then definitely in the base you will get that same DNA. You will get that beautiful lavenders, there is cinnamon, there is vanilla, there are some fruity notes here and there with very beautiful woody undertones. So this is how this perfume actually smells. If you have ever experienced JPG's Ultra Male, just imagine that DNA and then amped it up with citruses and grapefruit. That's it. A beautiful scent, very long lasting and very fresh. So this perfume can be used in summers, whereas the original JPG Ultra Male can be used in hot weather. But here this one, The Story, you can rock it easily in summer if you're staying indoors, and even if you're going outdoors, as long as you are not going in the direct sunlight, you can rock it. So this was about The Story. Very nice famous DNA with a twist. So this was The Story, and now let's jump to the second perfume, which is Oud Al Hashmi. So let me show you the packaging here. So here you go. This is the box you will get for Oud Al Hashmi. You can see the design pattern and colors here, beautifully done. You can see this pattern in the back. See the logo of Adil Qadri, the name of the perfume, Oud Al Hashmi, and then nothing on the sides, and then logo of Adil Qadri on the top, and then in the back once again you will get all the details here in the back. So let's open the box, remove the sleeve, move the curtains, and here you go. This is how the bottle looks, Oud Al Hashmi. Let me show you the bottle now, and here you go. This is how the bottle looks. Beautiful. You can see the gradient which starts from blue to transparent. You can see this beautiful golden printing on the bottle, the logo of Adil Qadri, and the name of the perfume, Oud Al Hashmi. Once again, the very similar cap to the others. And okay, so now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here, as per Adil Qadri official website, Here at the top you will get agarwood, cinnamon and nutmeg, and then in the middle you will get jasmine and sandalwood, and then in the base you will get musk, vanilla, guyakwood, amber and cedar. So this is the notes breakdown, and now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here this one is once again a very traditional Arabic Oriental type of perfume. Once again, it's very sweet, it's very heavy, it's thick, so it's not a light and airy kind of scent. This you should keep in your mind, that this is a hard hitter, the best thing to be tried in cold weather. So now for the scent profile, this is very sweet, and here you will get a lot of sweet white musk. There is a lot of incense. You remember Shania, what I have told you about Shania? This falls in the same category, but it's different. Yes, this is sweet like Shania, but the scent profile is a little bit different here. Here you will get musk, here you will get a lot of incense. There are some smoky nuances in the middle towards the second phase. Then there are some woody notes in the dry down in the base, and then there is a lot of sandalwood in the base. The sandalwood used here is not very earthy, not very creamy, but yes, you can feel that sandalwood there in the base, and then a lot of vanilla. So imagine a sweet scent with vanilla, with thick sweetness, and then some sweet sandalwood, and then you have like a lot of incense and smoke, and then a lot of musk. So this is how this perfume actually smells. This is a linear kind of scent. It's not going to change a lot, but definitely towards the second and third phases, which comes in many hours, because this perfume is going to stay with you for days, not for hours, but for days. This is a very long lasting and extremely high projecting type of perfume. So wear it with caution. I think 2 sprays will be enough for you. Start with 2 and don't exceed the number of sprays in your first wearing. Always try it first, see, experiment, and only then finalize that how many sprays you are going to use as per your liking. So this was about the scent profile. If you have ever tried Swiss Arabians Kashka. Kashka is one of their very famous perfume. It's very old and very traditional kind of scent. Very famous. The people who live in Arab countries, they know very well the DNA of Kashka. So if you have ever experienced that perfume, this is something like that. It's not the 100% similar thing. It's not a clone of Kashka, but yes, it falls in the same category. And by the way, if you have ever visited to the malls of UAE, if you ever go to like Dubai Mall or any mall where they are burning a lot of bakhurs, that smell, because a lot of my followers have asked me many times that they want to smell like a Dubai mall. They want to know what kind of smell they have used in their malls. So this is it. This is a very incensey type of scent, and in malls they are also burning bakhurs and incense. So if you like that kind of vibe, you like to wear that kind of perfumes, rock this. Oud Al Hashmi. So this was about the scent profiles of the Story and Oud Al Hashmi, and now let's talk about the other aspects of these perfumes. So first of all, let's talk about the performance. So performance wise, the Story is very good. I have tested this perfume indoors, outdoors, and I can tell you that this is going to give you a very good 8 to 10 hours easily. Depends on the number of sprays, depends on your environment and the fabric you are using, you know. So 8 to 10 hours you will get from the Story. And for Oud Al Hashmi, this one is going to stay with you for like minimum for 2 days. If you spray like 2 to 3 sprays on your fabric, it will not go until you wash your fabric. And I think even after wash, you will be able to get some light whiffs of this perfume. So performance wise, they both are good, but Oud Al Hashmi is like, you can say, on the top performance wise. And now let's talk about gender. So once again, both of these perfumes are unisex. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it very easily. The Story, I can say, leans a little bit towards the masculine side, but otherwise anyone can rock it easily. For the age group, the Story can be used if you are around the age of like 18, 19 plus, but for Oud Al Hashmi, you should be a little bit mature. This is not something which can be liked by very young chaps. If you are like at the age of 12, 13, 14, 15, you can still use it. Definitely, no one is going to stop you. But it's not going to suit your personality very well. That's my personal opinion. Otherwise, for me, if you're a little bit mature, you're around the age of 22, 23 plus, you can carry Oud Al Hashmi easily. And now let's talk about the season or weather. The Story, as I told you earlier, can be used all year round, but for the best experience, you should use it in cold weather. But Oud Al Hashmi, In my humble opinion, this is a cold weather scent, a pure cold weather scent. Or if it's raining outside and the weather is cool for that day or for that night, if the weather is cool in the evening, you can still rock it in the summer. So this was about the season, and now let's talk about the occasion. So the story can be rocked easily in your colleges, in your offices, or wherever you want. It's a very versatile scent. Once again, you have to skip the sports side. Don't wear this one in your gym. You have some better options for your gym. Other than that, you can rock it wherever you want. For Oud Al Hashmi, once again, if you are wearing it in your office, you should be very careful with the number of sprays. You can rock this perfume wherever you want. If you are going outdoors, you are going for picnics, you're going in the malls, you're going for a restaurant or any hotel for a dinner or lunch, you can rock it. If you're going for a wedding, it will work in all these kind of scenarios. But once again, the best scenario for me will be if I am going for any kind of religious activity. Doesn't matter which religion you belong to. If you are going for your religious activity, you're going for a prayer or puja or whatever, you can use this perfume, Oud Al Hashmi, and you will love it. If you are going for Jummah prayer or you are going for a puja in your mandir, this will add an extra magic to your religious activities. So this was about the occasion, and now let's talk about the price. So once again, in India they have two options, I think 100 ml and 50 ml. 50 ml is around 800 rupees, 800 Indian rupees, and 100 ml bottles are for 1200 Indian rupees. And in UAE, these bottles are for 53 UAE dirhams each. So this is about the pricing. Very affordable, very good pricing for 100 ml juice. And the very good thing about these perfumes, what I like, is the blending and quality of this brand. The prices are very affordable, they are very nominal, the prices are very good, but they never sacrificed on the quality. The quality is still top notch here. Blending, everything is very smooth. Do check it out. Do let me know in the comments if you have ever experienced these fragrances, or if you have ever experienced Adil Qadri, the brand. I would love to hear your feedback. So this was about the story and Oud Al Hashmi from the house of Adil Qadri. So I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.